few minutes to go pick up my kids with my wife. And check out the wife picked up. Cool, huh? Little plastic drawers. Not bad. This one's all metal. Comes with all the little fancy drawers. Doesn't come with any little cross pieces. But, you know what? Hey, I think they were like $10. This one's a big funky plastic one, but it's actually like this one. I don't know how much they were, but my wife sent me a message on Facebook and like, hey, check this out. I don't know. She's like, why not, right? Wife's gonna ask me if I want them. Say yeah. So yeah, I picked up these. Well, no, I didn't. She picked them up, but looks good to me. Latest tool haul. Not really a tool haul, but a tool holder. Not bad. This one I like. See, this one is, I mean, I like the other one. But this one's got, like, it's all metal. There's a little, let's lift it up here a little bit. Let's see. Believe it or not, this plastic one is actually not, it's not made cheap. It's not made, like, it's made out of a thick plastic. Even though I hate plastic, like, I probably am going to make, like, little metal drawers to go in here. But this one is, you know, your typical sheet metal spot welded everywhere. But it's, you know, it is what it is. It's got all its 4 legs. It's got little slices cut in it. It even comes with 4 little screws. Look at that. Isn't that fancy? It's a 4-screw kind of thing. So anyway, yeah, I'm ending the video here. Thanks for watching.